As India hosts one of its kinds AI Impact Summit, Delhi has been turned into a fortress with multi-layered security. Here at Bharat Mandapam, there are security forces from Delhi Police, paramilitary forces, NSG and multiple other agencies who've been coordinating to secure the AI Summit venue, Bharat Mandapam, where 500 CCTV cameras have been placed to monitor each and every movement. Not only this, more than 5,000 traffic policemen have been additionally deployed for the easy movement during AI Impact Summit. That happens to be the 5-day-long summit where world leaders from more than 20 nations and the participants from 45 countries and 2.5 lakh visitors are expected to be a part of this event. We can see that the security is enhanced around Bharat Mandapam, and not only in Bharat Mandapam, through the national capital there are multiple layered security enhancements. There are counter drones and anti-aerial protection equipment that has been placed. There is surveillance that's going on, and there is a coordinated effort between the agencies, between the Delhi Police, and for this there was a drill, a rehearsal and a training that was going on for weeks to make the AI Impact Summit a secure and a successful summit. So when Delhi is hosting this event, it is also placing all those major security protocols that we've also seen during G20 and other international events that Delhi has already hosted. So this time, once again, we see this high-level AI Impact Summit in Delhi with multiple security agencies coordinating this secure and successful summit. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Shuagun Bharadwaj for India Today from New Delhi.